YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos on Hayward's AquaNaut 200. This will work for both the 200 and the 250, so stay tuned. We're going to dive right in. All right guys, and we're back. So again, today we're going to do some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 200. This is their 2-wheel suction side pool cleaner. As you guys can tell in front of me here, I've got the cleaner stripped down. If you guys want to know how I got to where I'm at right now, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We'll have a link for a playlist there for you guys that'll show you guys every video to get to the point where I'm at right now. For today's quick fix, you don't necessarily need to tear apart the cleaner. I'm going to show you guys how to remove these rollers as well as the other brackets on the very bottom of the cleaner. So it's not something that you necessarily need to take the wheels off like I've gotten to so far, or remove the handle like I did. So this could be one that you can find right in the middle that you don't need to necessarily worry about. So the first step that you're going to do when you guys are worrying about removing these brackets, which, side note, I really like the fact that Hayward has actually imprinted the part numbers on these brackets themselves. So the roller brackets are actually a single part number, whereas the other side brackets actually are 2 different part numbers. So you'll have your base and then you'll have the other part that snaps onto it. So when I take them apart, I'll show you guys that. But I really enjoy the fact that they actually put the part numbers on there for you guys, so you don't actually have to go out and do some crazy looking. But if you do come to our website, we do have this nice nifty little tool that'll actually help you identify your cleaner, take you to the full part breakdown of the cleaner, and allow you guys to find the parts that you need that way as well. But again, back to removing these for you guys and replacing them for new ones. So over time, these things are going to wear. They're what actually drags along the bottom of the pool floor. So they are going to see a lot of signs of use and wear and tear. The brackets themselves will start to kind of snap off. It's a plastic, so over time, again, chemical composition, all the above, is going to actually deteriorate that plastic. So once you start snapping off, you do want to make sure that you replace them. It will help make sure that the cleaner stays sealed to the floor and keeps all that debris focused directly here to the center orifice. So it's really important that you guys do replace these. Don't operate it for a long period of time without these actual swivel brackets on. But first thing you're going to do is you're looking at the actual orifice here. This is the suction inlet. This is a medium-sized suction inlet. I know that Hayward used to make a small, medium, and a large. I'm not particularly sure if they'll make that for the AquaNaut 200, but in this case, coming standard is the medium orifice. What you need to do is remove this orifice from the actual bottom of the cleaner. So you're gonna actually, got to kind of finesse it, because you kind of need to use both hands at the same time of using one hand to do a double task. So you're gonna push in right here on these 2 tabs on the side. You guys will see that the plastic frame has a little bit of give here. And then at the same time, you're trying to reach your finger into the orifice and actually lift it out at the same time. So like I said, it takes a little bit of finesse. You might want to use one hand to try to push both tabs down to lift the orifice out all together for you guys. So again, this is directional, which is really nice. It's actually got an L and an R marked on it here for you, as well as the base has an L and an R, so that way you know when you're sliding this inlet back in, it goes in the right direction. So once you guys have removed that, now you're able to start going ahead and removing the actual brackets. So all the brackets kind of got to do is get pushed towards the middle. The middle of the bracket where the orifice is has a little opening where you can actually start sliding these brackets out. You're going to start from the one of the middle 2 and then obviously work your way in. Again, it'll slide itself over, so then that way you guys are able to easily just remove the brackets. And it's going to go for the same thing on the opposite side. Your first one to get out is a little bit tricky just because it's really tight. They don't allow a lot of slack for those to move. So again, just direct it towards the middle, towards that orifice, to make sure that you can get everything to slide out efficiently. This one's a little stuck. So again, just kind of rock them back and forth, wiggle them a little bit so that you can actually slide those out. And then there is all 8 of your brackets. Let me set the cleaner head off to the side for you. So again, if you flip these over, which I don't think that this camera view is going to be able to see it very well, but you'll see right here towards the base of the actual bracket, it has a part number. It's not the complete part number, but if you are using this on our website or on an internet search, That'll be enough of the part number to actually get you to the product that you're looking for. And then this is the two-part system that I was referring to. The side that does not have the rollers is an actual two-part system. So they'll actually send you the brackets and then the actual swivel parts that unsnap. So this is a two-part system. Each one has its own part number on there. This bottom half that clips into the actual frame of the cleaner is the same part as the roller bracket side, but obviously the top flap does not have the rollers on it. So this is a totally different part. So again, when you're getting ready to set everything back up on the cleaner, you're going to go ahead and make sure that you start again in the middle of the cleaner and just glide them through the track off to the side and work your way back into the middle. Once you guys have actually made your way all the way back into the middle, everything's going to sit together and stay nice and tight. Again, keep this upside down until you're done putting all those pieces on, because your last and final locking step will be this inlet. And then once you get all those out, or all of those back in, you're going to go ahead and snap the inlet back in, which will lock all those in place. So I just want to show you guys that quick fix. It's really simple. Again, it's important to make sure you guys stay up on top of this. Otherwise, you guys will run into issues with the cleaner actually picking the debris up off the floor and maintaining its suction. So definitely want to do this and add this into your seasonal maintenance. Check out all the links below. Again, we'll have all these items, these flaps, the rollers, all down in the description for you guys. Make sure you guys smash that like button and be sure to subscribe. We're going to have some more videos on taking this cleaner apart, as well as some other cleaners out there on the market. So again, I really appreciate you guys watching. And until next time, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.